Do you want to learn about appraisal of land in Kosovo? This is the second of 3 videos about appraisal. In this video, you can learn about how appraisal of land is performed. In the other videos, you can learn about why and when appraisal of land is performed in Kosovo. Many countries in the world have an official appraised value for properties. This appraised value is determined through an official nationwide appraisal called mass appraisal or mass valuation. This video describes the mass appraisal process for parcels in Kosovo with the use of sales comparison method. The purpose of mass appraisal is to find a value that reflects the market value. This value is what we call the appraised value. Mass appraisal is a very complex process, but a little simplified, it can be described in the following steps: classification of parcels, collection of market information, analysis of market information, determination of value zones and value levels, calculation of appraised value for each parcel. In this video, we will take you through all these steps, starting with classification of parcels. Market price for properties usually varies depending on the type of property. Therefore, the first thing to do is to classify all parcels. For parcels, there are 16 different categories. These are called value categories. Each value category belongs to a certain property category. Each parcel is classified based on what the parcel is used for. For example, a parcel with a family house in it is classified as parcel for family house. A field is classified to the value category field, etc. The appraised value shall reflect the market value. Therefore, the next step is to collect market information. Sales contracts and information regarding each sold property are collected. Sales that did not take place in the open market, for example, sales between relatives, are considered non-representative sales. These are excluded from further analysis. In areas where sales are scarce, other market information is also used to determine the market value. The collected information is then sorted by value category. After this, the market information is analyzed. Each value category is analyzed separately to determine the market value of parcels in that specific value category. After analyzing the market, it is time to determine value zones and value levels for each value category. The reason for determining different value zones with different value level is that market value can differ due to location. Certain areas are more popular than others. For example, prices might be affected by access to infrastructure, distance to cities, villages and markets, fertility of agricultural land, etc. To find out how the prices vary due to location, the prices per square meter for sold properties are marked on a map. With this information, it is possible to identify areas with similar price levels. These areas are called value zones. For each value zone, the market value per square meter can now be determined. This is called value level. This process is repeated for each value category, since the zones are not the same in all value categories. The reason for this is that how location affects the price can be different for different categories or properties. When value zone borders and value zone levels have been determined, they are presented on value zone maps and in value level tables. There are different value zone maps for different categories. A value level table shows the value per square meter for the different value categories. When the value zone and the value levels have been determined, the value for each parcel is calculated. This is done by multiplying the area of the specific parcel with the applicable value level. This is the value per square meter for the value zone in which the parcel is located. After each appraisal, you will get a certificate of appraised value showing the appraised value of your property. You can see the value zone maps and value level table in your municipality or in the Tatimi website. Now you know how appraisal is done. If you want to learn more about appraisal, watch our videos on why and when appraisal is done.